Guys, it is time for a change. After building up a social media platform with almost 500,000 followers, building a successful tile and bathroom company, I've still found myself miserable. After my daughter was born 18 months ago, I completely lost myself, stopped all of my self-care, stopped all of my training, completely fell off track about things that are good for me, and all of a sudden found myself becoming a worse version of me. This video is the start of a brand new journey, the start of a journey of me showcasing my path back into being me, being a better version of me. And it started off this morning with my fifth weekday straight of training. And we went and trained chest. We started off on the cables, pre-exhaust our chests. From there we went on to doing some dumbbells, some isolated chest press so that we could just work each individual pec. From there we went to doing some dumbbell underarm chest flies to really squeeze our chest. What all of this is just trying to isolate the muscles and pre-exhaust it so that it becomes tired, ready for our heavy exercises, which then we went on to just doing the plate loaded chest press and finished up on bench press. We were in there for 45 minutes. I've come out feeling great, session's done, we're ready to go and get some fruit, which we're gonna head over to Morrison's in a minute. And the plan is to start eating better, training better. We're going to do all sorts of things in this episode. I've even got a book with me, which we're going to start reading a passage from every single day together to get on path together, to get back to a better quality of life. And we're going to finish up today with a lesson. What have we learned from today? What are we taking from today? What positives are we taking? And I invite you on this journey with me in becoming a better, more enlightened, more positive, happier version. So, you won't know this, but my background before I was tiling, I was in and out of the fitness industry, and I used to be a personal trainer, sports massage therapist, and I've drifted so far from how well I used to be at looking after myself. And the two good things that you can do is become physically active and start eating good. But this morning, we're going to grab ourselves a bunch of fruit, and that is what we're going to be eating throughout the day to fuel ourselves. Right then, we are at our job where we have been tiling a bathroom, and we've done all of the preparation here as well. And one of the things about what I do, because I'm not just within tiling and bathrooms, I also do social media. And as previously mentioned, we've almost got 500,000 followers across all platforms, which is amazing. But it does mean that things take a little bit longer. As you can see, we've got our tripods up, which are for our short form and our long form. And this is the bathroom that we have been working on and that we're going to be carrying on with today. Ay. That is ridiculous. Right, that one's up. We are making some decent progress today. So we're going to have to get one of the returns in there, get that up. But first, I'm going to have a bite to eat and let's read our first passage of our special book. From our little fruit haul this morning, we've got 2 pears. These pears, honestly, I know this sounds ridiculous because it's just a pear. These pears are unreal, they're so crunchy. Pears are normally really soft. I love crunchy fruit. Unreal. So we've got 2 pears, we've got an apple, we've got banana also, and we've got some blackberries. And when it comes down to fruit, I love blackberries, especially when they taste really good. So, now, I've got my fruit, which I'm eating today, so I'm going to have a snack on now. Also, I've got a salad, which the missus very kindly sorted out. We bought some rice, it is whole grain, and bought 2 packs of that, one for tomorrow, one for later on today, so I can warm that up in the microwave, have it with some chicken and salad, nice and healthy. A little bit of meal prep in the morning. I know it's difficult. I find it really difficult as well. On a Sunday, you can tend to bash out, and then on like a Wednesday or something, if you can do a couple of meals and it sees you to the end of the week whilst you're at work, and it means that you're not eating meal deals and all of that rubbish which is in there. So, fruit, chicken salad. Something I also wanted to start doing as part of these episodes, and it gives us something to all work through, is reading chapters from this book. Now, you may recognise this book, you may not. This book is called The Daily Stoic, and it's by Ryan Holiday. I am on his, not including this, but I'm on his second book now, so I've read The Obstacle is the Way, Ego is the Enemy, and this is amazing because it gives you almost something to think about and meditate for the day. And so this is what I want to share with you now. January 27th, the 3 areas of training. Today, let's focus on the 3 areas of training that Epictetus laid out for us. First, we must consider what we should desire and what we should be averse to. Why? So that we want what is good and to avoid what is bad. It's not enough just to listen to your body because our attractions often lead us astray. Next, we must examine our impulses to act, that is, our motivations. Are we doing things for the right reasons, or do we act because we haven't stopped to think, or do we believe that we have to do something? Finally, there is our judgment. Our ability to see things clearly and properly comes when we use our great gift from nature, reason. These are 3 distinct areas of training, but in practice they are inextricably intertwined. Our judgment affects what we desire. Our desires affect how we act, just as our judgment determines how we act. But we can't just expect this to happen. We must put real thought and energy into each area of our lives. If we do, we'll find real clarity and success. And I don't know what that looks like for you, but for me, that means stopping and just having to think about whether we are on the path, on the right track to being the person that we want to be in life. Because sometimes, yes, we can just trust that, yeah, this is what I want to be doing. I always wanted to do this. I always wanted to do it. I always wanted to run a bathroom and tiling company. I always wanted to make videos and put them on. And sometimes it's good to just stand back and be like, but is this getting me what I want? Is this getting you where you want to be by doing what you're doing? Or does something need to be tweaked? Is the way you or me acting the way and the person that we want to be? Anyway, we're going to get these 2 tiles up next. I would love to know, by the way, what you're thinking of this episode. Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying a little bit of something a little bit different? It is more of an insight into me and my life and the way that I think and the way that I like to live my life, rather than just showing you the bathroom and aspect of things. And maybe, yeah, this is a bit of a video straight off the back of that book as well. And, you know, I do want to just start talking more about me and the way that I think and the things I believe in, rather than just doing like how-to videos and stuff like this. There's more to what I want my purpose to be in life, and this is it. So let's get it. I'll see you in a sec. This is getting very difficult now, guys, without having a platform. This is going to be as high as I go on this side, same as over there. So I've got to have one leg on the hop up. This is getting ridiculous. Oh God. Too tight. That's the sort of stuff that you just don't see. That's the sort of stuff you don't see. So I've got to get adhesive all off the back of this tile now, go downstairs, grind it down by about 5mm, put it back up. See you in a sec. Alright, let's try again. Ladders out, fitting tiles, but there we go. Gosh, looks good. Gonna get this one up, and then I'm gonna get that one up as well. My word. Honestly, this is the most awkward tiling job I've ever done. By far. The size of the tiles, the working area I've got, it's tiny. The size of the bathroom is small, so it just makes things awkward. That's our last tile for the day. Have a wipe down up there, make sure nothing's going to be hard for us to try and fit to tomorrow. And call it a day. What a day, everybody. It's been a mad one. We have got as much done as we possibly could there. I've got some really, really good news though. One of my friends is going to come in tomorrow and give me a chuck. So before we hit it hard tomorrow, I'll quickly come over to Easy Bathrooms. We've come to pick up some more adhesive. I'm going to go and see my other friend tonight as well and go and pick up the platform which we're going to be using to get up to those ceilings. And yeah, so I'm going to get these materials, I'm going to get home, I'm going to start editing this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with somebody you think will enjoy this video. Love you loads. Bye bye.